Hi, everybody. I'm lucking out like crazy here.
I made Mike get all the wood down so I could see how it looked.
So 5, 10 per side. Is that right? Yeah, it kind of is. Goal for today is we're going to get these 2x2s mounted right on this lip of metal here. This is actually structural, and so we need to leave it, and I can't even imagine how hard it would be to cut that out anyway. So we're going to mount these on here, and we're going to drive a screw into every one of these ribs, and this is where we're going to mount all our electrical boxes to the top of and run our electrical lines right down and tack to the top of this so that we can get our 120 volt electrical into the bus. All our 120 volt electrical will mostly be below this window right here. So that's the goal for today, and it seems pretty straightforward. We gave it a lot of thought. I think we're ready. That's easy, very easy. This is going to go really fast. 71 and all right, these are the boxes. There are electrical. The reason we chose, I was going to do plastic ones. They seem to be easier to install, but I'll tell you what, if we have a short or something, this will short right to the chassis ground of the bus because we didn't take the inside metal walls off here. So these will protect us. Not that I'm too worried about it. We have so many protections. The inverter itself has built-in protection. What are those things called? Circuit breakers. We're going to have breaker panel to protect us, and then if all else fails, then we'll have these boxes chassis grounded. So yep, that's where we're at.
There's a heavy load upon my back, no way to throw it off. For a second I believe it's gone. I'm just a fool out of luck. of my time. There is nothing we can do. Stop this plague from breaking through. Don't come round and waste my time.
I wanted to take like 2 seconds to show you guys something here, and that is the windowsill. This right here is just the jig we use to mount the 2x4, so we hold it at the level of this windowsill and give you that 3/4 inch drop right down to this. And but this allows me to put a nice piece of wood up here that might like overhang kind of like this and look to finish this top edge. But at the same time, like if this was like this, had we built this right up to here, then we still would want to cover this to make it look nice. And then this piece of wood would have stuck up like that. And notice the space back behind it. And then that's where like you would lose all your pens and stuff would gather in there. And so we just thought of this like the last minute to drop this down like 3/4 of an inch, and then we could put a nice windowsill on here that evens up with this. And oh, thank God. Last screw too.
No kidding?
Oh no, I think I have 2.
Well, good. We need both.
Okay. Whew. I just got to replace that one. You want me to replace over there? The weathered one. The bad one.
But at least you voted today.
I voted America.
Okay, so here's where we're at. We've got the lower portions of the walls all along both sides pretty much done, but we haven't got the upper parts of the walls yet. So that's going to be next video. It's time for us to clean up, and see you next time.